Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This purchase is actually from AliExpress. We're going to be looking at the SKMEI Model 1620 digital sports watch. Just with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. Just like remembering the things I've bought in the past, and I like unboxing these things in case there's somebody sitting out there thinking about buying the item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So it's just going to be an unboxing. Once I figure out how to use the watch, maybe I'll attach some videos to show you how to set it, functions, so on and so forth. So, a 10-year battery life. Again, this is the 1560 model watch. I paid $7.91 for it. That includes sales tax and shipping. Instruction manual, and then the watch itself. If you've ever used SKMEI model watches, they're, I tell you what, they're pretty cheap, but they take a pretty good bang and beating. I like throwing them on just to use them when I'm mowing the yard work out at the farm, stuff like that, where I don't want to jack up my other watches. So I wanted to see, looks like there's plastic on the lens here. There we go, not too bad. Be careful for that when you get it. What I like about this watch is the size of the font and the display. Look how easy that is to read. I'll show you just in comparison. Here's my Casio G-Shock. And look at the size difference between telling the time on this one versus this watch. If you don't have eye issues, you don't really care about that, but believe me, the older I get, the more I'm looking for watches that I can glance at, see the time, and not have to stress about it. So, show you the case back. Show it to you on the wrist. I have 6.5-inch diameter wrist, so I have a pretty small wrist. Fits like a glove. Wanted to show you, even at this price point, the strap has a little bit of a keeper here on the end to keep your buckle from sliding down. So that's kind of a bonus. Let me turn off my overhead. Wow, there's some backlight in here. I'll do another video to show you guys the light, but the light is really bright. See if I can. Green lettering. It's kind of hard to see on my camera, but nonetheless, $7.91, AliExpress. That's a look at it when you get it in. I hope the video helps.